Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can recreate Queen Miranda from Sofia the First in Dress to Impress without VIP. First of all guys, you can choose this hairstyle and then you're going to color it with this color. And for the tuku, you can choose back and remove all the flowers and combine it with this one, make it this color. Make it the same color and you're going to choose no bangs. Okay, and then you're going to put on this crown and you can do little adjustment. You can position it like this and rotate it like this. Okay, and then the next one, you're going to put on this heels. Make it this color for the first selection and also the second selection. Put on this necklace, make it this color and make it white for the second selection. And this earring, make it white. And then the next one, I'm going to put on this corset. Okay, for this corset, we're going to make it this color. And then you're going to change the material to glitter. Alright, and then you're going to combine it with the sleeves. Okay, for the sleeves, make it glitter as well. And then you're going to color it with this color. Okay, and then I'm going to move to the world culture clothing area. But wait guys, I'm going to change the color of the ribbon. Sorry. For the ribbon, you're going to make it this color. Okay. And you're going to put on this skirt. Make it this color for the first selection and also the second selection. And then you're going to change the material to glitter. Okay. And then you're going to put on this dress. Make it only skirt, and then you're going to apply this color and then change the material to glitter. Okay, and then the next one, you're going to go to the changing room, and from the changing room you're going to put on the sleeves from the witch set and make it this color for the first selection and also the second selection, and again change the material to glitter. Okay, done. And then you're going to put on this skirt and we're going to color it like this for the first selection and this one for the second selection and also the third selection. And then you're going to change the material to glitter. Okay, it's done and this is for the final result. Okay guys, and that's all the way to create Queen Miranda from Sofia the First in Dress to Impress without VIP. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and bye!